So you have a Samsung Galaxy A03 smartphone. You have an issue where the screen is frozen or unresponsive. You can't swipe. You can't even restart. Maybe this power off menu doesn't appear, or you try to tap on restart or power off and it does absolutely nothing. Okay, so what you can do to fix that, the first thing you want to try to do is perform a forced restart. So very easy with a forced restart. It's a 2-key combination. Okay, it's volume down, power. Press and hold both buttons. Do not let go until you see a Samsung logo appear. Once it appears, let go of both buttons, okay? So let's pretend there's something wrong on my screen, it's frozen or whatnot. We're going to do this together. Volume down, power. Volume down, power. Ready, set, go. Press and hold both buttons and do not let go until we see a Samsung logo. Don't worry about what's happening on your screen. Just wait until you see a Samsung logo appear. Typically takes about 20 seconds. Still holding on both buttons. Where's that Samsung logo? There it is. Let go of both buttons and let it boot back up. And hopefully, once it boots back up, you no longer have a frozen or unresponsive screen. Questions or issues? Just comment below. All right? Good luck, guys. Bye.